Hey everybody, Rich with our little homestead, June the 8th, 2023. Not even summer yet. It hasn't rained here in a month, maybe longer, but check it out. These beautiful radishes are just the beginning of what is garden number one this year. Like, it's so pretty. I can't even get over how pretty it is. We did such a nice job. So I just want to show it off, and I want to have it for future reference. So over here we planted Kentucky pole beans. We got 4 tripods. We had pretty good germination with it, and they're just getting started. Can't really see them too well. You can come down here. This is what I'm pretty stoked about. These little guys are birdhouse gourds, and honestly we got some chickens that came in here, so we thought they were gone, but we got I think 6 or 7 of them that made it out of only the 8 that we planted, maybe 9. And then if we take a look across the rest of the garden, we've got kidney beans. We might get our first harvest of beets, more radishes, leaf lettuce, more kidney beans, and potatoes. And I just watered. So it looks pretty awesome. And my wife's laughing at me right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of my weird leg movement. Fancy legs. Anyways, I just wanted to show everybody how the garden was and how busy the road is today, which is really cool. I love it when cars go flying by when I'm trying to do a video. But anyways, I want to show you the orchard too, but that'll be in another video. We got lots of little apples, little pears. Our plum trees we planted made it. Hopefully our one cherry tree makes it. So happy harvest, and until next time, be good to one another.